Hi buddies, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Google Pixel 8. As you can see, it's in the light mode right now, but maybe you want to set it to the dark mode. So you want to go to your settings and then go to display. And here you now want to go to dark theme. You can turn that on in general, but you can also click on it and say to schedule it. So you can say to turn on at a custom time, turn on from sunset to sunrise, or turn on at bedtime. We want to say turn on at a custom time, so we can set our starting time. Tonight at 8 p.m. we wanted to turn on, and then tomorrow at 7 a.m. we wanted to turn off again, and when it turns off, the light theme will appear again. Dark theme uses a black background to help keep your battery alive longer. Dark theme schedules wait to turn on until your screen is off. So if we go ahead and turn off our screen now and then go back, then we see the light theme is there again, because we said that we want the dark theme to appear at 8 tonight. So at 8 tonight, the dark theme will turn on, and tomorrow morning it will turn off again. But you can also totally go ahead, turn it on in general, then it's just on the whole time until you turn it off again. So that's how you can turn on the dark mode on your Google Pixel 8. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.